So in this question we have an organic compound A with a molecular formula of C2C6H12O2, which is hydrolyzed with dilute H2SO4 to give a carboxylic acid B. So carboxylic acid groups comes with COOH and an additional alcohol C. So C with the reaction with anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl will give turbidity immediately, white turbidity. So we need to find the compound A structure. We all know the formula for compound A, we just need to find the correct structure. So we will do the reaction as in the question. So this is compound A. So compound A with dilute H2SO4 will give a carboxylic group, which is B, and an alcohol which with ZnCl2 and HCl gives a immediate white turbidity. So only reaction which is feasible will be with this structure. So the correct option is fourth.